The user need be sitting on the seat to start the wash and dryer function. Move wash. Front rear wash spa-like massage experience, cleanse with nozzle movement back and forth. Posterior clean, deeply clean folds of buttocks skin. Rear end clean. Contact with buttocks through clean water, provides continuously heated water for consistent comfort. Self-cleaning nozzle. The nozzle performs a self-cleaning process each time after a wash program. Feminine clean. Women dedicated 5 jet holes nozzle 1. Soft water more cares of women's private place. Make her feel comfortable to the extreme. Love and enjoy the wash process. Enema clean, turbo wash. Have strong wash capacity. Jet water column can be entered into anal as 3 cm. Stimulate anus moistening hard feces, and play the role of enema spa treatment. Solve health problems easily. Air bubble wash, oxygen enriched water rinse. Give strong and weak rhythm massage, spa-like massage experience. Deodorizer eliminates or reduces unpleasant odors when enabled. Automatic flushing when enabled, automatically flushes the toilet. Dryer. Provides a stream of warm air to dry a given wet area of the user after cleaning. Intelligent warm air drying with 4-level air temperature. Soft night light, built-in. LED. Luminous shimmer, soft, warm and convenient when it is dark. Quiet close elongated seat lid. Allows seat and lid to close slowly and quietly. Side controls allows the user to control basic toilet features. Remote controls allows the user to control basic toilet features and adjust water pressure, nozzle position, water temperature, air temperature, seat temperature.